Hey math kids, today we're going to talk about division in the context of Maclaurin series. So let this be the power series expansion of x over sine of x, where x does not equal n times pi, and n is a integer. They want us to, it says use the Maclaurin series for sine of x, which I have written here, to find a naught, a1 and a2 such that this is true for all x near 0. So what we want to do first, we're going to look at this and we're going to multiply both sides by sine. So we're going to end up with sine x times this thing. Once again, just equals x. Multiply both sides by sine to come up with this. Now if we plug in sine, and if we plug in this, which is given as this, we'll end up with that. Now we just want to multiply. So we're going to do x times that. We get a naught x times that, a1x squared, x times that, a2x cubed. Now if we multiply this by this, we're going to get negative x cubed, whoops, gotta get a naught in there, minus a naught x cubed over 3 factorial. Now since we're only going up to x squared in this formula, we need to go up to x cubed in this formula because there's an x on the other side that we theoretically could divide out, and that would leave us with no x, and then x squared. So anyway, we can stop where I have it written right now, and if we rewrite this, focusing on the powers of x, we can write it like that. Now remember, this entire thing is equal to x, and thinking about x, sometimes it's hard to remember that we could rewrite x as 0 plus x plus 0x squared plus 0x cubed. And so we're going to think of it like that. And so we're going to set these coefficients equal to each other. So a naught x equals x. And then we're going to set this equal to this. So we get, or I guess we don't need to, yeah, let's just do it with the coefficients. So basically a naught is equal to 1, and that's done. A1 is equal to 0, and that's done. This one will be a little more complicated, but 0 is equal to a2 minus a naught over 3 factorial. A naught we've already found is 1. And so if I just add this to the other side, we end up with a2 equals 1 over 3 factorial. 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1, which is 6. So we found those coefficients. All we need to do is write the final answer. So x sine x is approximately equal to 1 plus 0x plus 1/6 x squared, and then we could write that even smaller as that, and then we 4x near 0. If you have additional questions, please come to Math Lab. Until then, calculator.